Give me a run for my money. There is nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Ay, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind, then where would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold on. We gon' function, no assumptions. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for a night, yeah, only for.
Sexy, you do know that life is kind of like a game. There isn't a higher power up there that literally hates you and has put you on this earth to experience nothing but heartbreak, pain, and agony. Absolutely not. But we do live in a system, in a world, in a universe that responds to your emotional state. It responds to how you think about yourself, what you believe to be possible for yourself. The world is responding to your lens, to your perspective. It's responding to your emotional state, how you feel inside. In a way, life has a weird way of being unfair. People are born into different circumstances, but if there is one rule, we all have the same rule, which is life responds to your emotional state. So I need you to take your power back when it comes to the things that you might have experienced in the past. Traumatic, horrible. But what you need to understand is that the past has no power over your beautiful, sexy ass anymore. The past doesn't exist. All we have, beautiful, is this present moment. So it matters how you feel about yourself right now, what you think right now. And I get it. Traumas have an effect on the psyche. But you owe it to yourself to go get traditional talk therapy help. Nobody can force you to do that. If that feels right to you, you have to do that for yourself. There's also other spiritual modalities, like the EFT tapping, the reprogramming of your mind, the meditations, the hypnosis, the breath work, all of these different modalities, whether it's spiritual, whether it's traditional talk therapy. What I'm trying to say is, we have tools at our disposal now that can help you calm the nervous system, regulate the nervous system, and fucking move on from your traumas and start to feel better mentally so you can understand that you deserve happiness. So you can start to have this more calm confidence about you. So you can start to finally understand that a higher power, beautiful, put you here for a reason. Not for you to just get traumatized as fuck and to just be sad and depressed all day and live a mediocre, average life. No. So you owe it to yourself to get whatever help you need to also change the routines, to do the nervous system regulation work. Because life, in a weird way, is a little bit unfair. But you have to work hard to change your life. Whether that means work hard spiritually, whether that means working hard physically to change your life, whether that means working harder in your prayer life, whatever it means. But I promise you have what it takes to change your life, to help you. You have what it takes to live a more secure life. And when you start to do the nervous system regulation work every single day, that is when you become a calmer human. That's when the trauma, the emotions start to be able to be processed and leave the body. And then you will have a less emotional charge with the old story, the old programming, making it easier for you to let go and bring in the new story, the new identity. Is this making sense? But it all starts with you. Giving yourself permission to say, you know what, I'm calling back my power. I'm calling back my energy. I'm going to make a life for myself. I'm going to start to see myself as talented, as capable. I'm going to make energetic hygiene a priority daily. I'm going to have a stronger spiritual or prayer life. I'm going to prioritize myself daily. I'm going to prioritize my happiness. Because falling back in love with what you used to love to do, and in my opinion, your soul's true calling, will help you naturally vibrate at a higher frequency. Or if you don't like that word, just think of it as like feeling better. A better feeling being your new baseline, your new normal. Gotta do our hugging trees. Continue on our 3-mile walk, and we should be good. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these vlogs. I have a thing for nostalgia, so I like things kind of vintage, old, retro, nostalgic looking. Let me know how you guys feel.
Life here only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?
Know that I haven't done much talking today. Whatever, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, I don't know. Okay, anyway, take 2. Hi. Okay, update time. Wait, that's Alicia Marie saying I can't say that. All right, Slut Muffins update. Okay, Slut Muffins update. I am now gonna get ready for the gym. You already know I do full body every day because I cannot commit to a split. And then later tonight I have a client. And then later tonight I have a client. So let's get ready for the gym. Do I have to take a shit?
I don't want pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Know you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That had a tooth for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Typo be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still?
We here.
Keep it low, got you, I got nothing.
You look so skinny. You look so hot. She just jumped the waterfall. Show me your family. No core. No core.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast to hurt yourself. I think